In his first official media interaction following the inaugural session at the Council Bhawan, the newly appointed Chief Executive Member of the TTAADC, Shri Runiel Debbarma, outlined a governance vision centered on public priority, fiscal transparency and the power of Thansa.
Chini Khorang nai tong nai joto takuk tai bukhokshon lam shogo. Jeng tini faisok wajak TTAADC ni jekhomilong headquarter aro tam ninga ga tini aro Council Bhawan koksa panda asuk jangna ni thangai tongo salcha ni bagai TTAADC ni. Ga jagao koksa panda o tabo manjangna ni bagai joto MDC rong no jeng phaimani mokolo kalaikha hengke oro je ketal MDC rok je semai tangmani yagulo chairman tai CEM tai EM ni je barza ya farza ka abong kha usakango ba salsa sakang borok koksa panda khai noyangwa bodol limba khaktei jeng je goshimuru mani abo notification nugui mankha taklai ni je TTAADC ni chairman ni barza boboranjan riangno rujagai tongo hunai abo haikeno MDC Runiel Debbarma no rujagai tongo CEM ni achok thai ngai CEM ni achok thai rujangmani yagulo tabo EM ni achok thai rujagai tongo shike jamatiano ngoba haikeno chungtini Council Bhawan buskango faisok waijak borok ni je Council haike koksa panda no khanana ni bagai keseng nugui mankha turuk khai joto MDC rok no tini ne koksa panda manjangna ni bagai khoroksa ka phai tongmani gabo haikeno choykari norok Chini Khorang ni mangpli be krungai tongni chungtini norok no je ro Council Bhawan ni koksa panda no je sakmansa kathang awang phunungani chaitongnai.
The Chief Executive Member opened his address by expressing profound gratitude for the public support sustained throughout the election cycle. Attributing his appointment to the blessing of the Tripura people, CEM Runiel Debbarma emphasized that his leadership is a direct product of Thansa unity. He reaffirmed that the voice of the public would remain the administration's first priority. While the administration currently consists of the CEM, the chairman and one executive member, Debbarma clarified that the remaining executive member post would be filled following the village committee elections. The appointments remain under the strategic direction of the party Supremo Bubagra.
Kenurok tiri nukhana je oro borok ni 9 to ADC je council oro te wasa tabu TTAADC ni chairman angna ni thangai tongo je youth no rojaka obongkha jini tongnai je youth no tongmani obongkha Runiel Debbarma bono rojaka tabu je TTAADC ni CEM ni achok thayo goba haikeno je sikla rok ni phanno sakangai telangai borok ni je samung tongmano abono teino tini oba haike koshimung na harjakmani TTAADC ni bkhaktei angke jeng oba haikeno je tini koksa panda obono nugui mankha je sabo no tamo bobo thayo achuk thai rajak mani oro ongkha chairman taini ni CEM ni achuk thai no rajakha borok ni oro je batailai mani puila session no kebo bataine kri khaino borok jotono janje ja achuk thayo achugui mankha ksam chairman tongnai katal chairman no achuk thaya farka obhaiken jeng sarno kisa kok sainar khyon sir je tini no kaisa mane youth no CEM ni achuk thai rajak mani bahai ma to
ang pilano sini bubagra no hambaya faro tai sini joto Tripura sataponi lukurong no haseni lukurong no hambaya haro je Thansa ni phan bai je kuplai khaimani yakulo tini sing no te suzuro bagi ebong sini semayamo no tongnai lukurong ni gana busai tongnani lukurong ni gana busai sukke duke bong no help khainani ebong je limited fund mamani bisingti bibinno rokom babe development ni samung khainani sini main priority inkai sini health education tai water no tini sini main priority tongnai.
Despite acknowledging the challenges of a limited budget, the CEM pledged to drive development across TTAADC areas. He identified 3 pillars for his initial phase of governance: clean water access, educational reform, and healthcare infrastructure. Addressing recent allegations from the BJP regarding the potential misuse of funds, CEM Debbarma issued a confident challenge to his critics. He dismissed the claims as politically motivated election period rhetoric. If the TTAADC government is misusing the funds, why doesn't the BJP show the official funding sanction memos to the public transparency? The session concluded with a reaffirmed commitment to transparency and a people-first approach to tribal autonomy and regional progress. Report by Salomi and Boyer from Khumlung, Chini Khorang.